Hey everyone, Tyler Jones here with your weekly commentary, and for the first time in a long time, it was not all about tariffs. The big story was the tax reconciliation bill making its way through Congress. This bill would make individual tax cuts that are set to expire a little bit later in this year. It would make them permanent, but of course it still needs approval from the Senate. Of course, tariffs were not completely out of the conversation. President Donald Trump, well, he announced a 50% tariff on the EU, plus a 25% tariff on Apple for iPhones that are not made here in the United States. These announcements hit markets hard as we headed into the long weekend. Hope you had a great Memorial Day, by the way. The other thing weighing on markets last week was Moody's downgrade of U.S. debt. Our deficit is currently more than $36 trillion, and Moody's basically thinks that U.S. leaders are not doing enough to address the spending problem. Of course, we'll keep watching on how these fiscal dynamics play out and how the overall economy is doing. Well, that's it for this week's update. For a more detailed write-up, be sure to click the link in the description below. Hope you're all doing well, and as always, God bless.